Hey there, this is Clay with modernlove.life, where we help you get the great loving relationship that you're looking for without having to play mind games, without having to play hard to get, and without having to pretend to be someone or something that you are not. Because I believe that you deserve to be loved for the person that you are. And if you agree with me, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not already. One really common misconception that I have seen when it comes to women and dating is that a lot of women will confuse the idea of being passive with being feminine. And so they'll just do things like sit around like a lump on a log and wait for men to approach them. And, you know, I get it. Obviously, it would be ideal if the guy that you see from across the room is going to come up and approach you. That would be optimal, right? But what if he doesn't see you for some reason? What if he's busy? What if he's talking with his friends? What if he does make eye contact with you, but he just doesn't have the confidence to go up and approach you? And I know this is a point of contention, because you might be saying, well, you know, I wouldn't want to be with a guy who doesn't have the confidence to approach me. And, you know, that's fine. That's understandable. But here's the thing. Most men on a regular basis don't actually approach attractive women that they don't actively know through friends or friends of friends or coworkers or family or something like that. Most guys, you know, they might work up the courage to approach a woman maybe once in a while or something, but I think oftentimes women overestimate the amount of confidence that a man has. And really, if you're just going to be basing your dating prospects on who actively approaches you, chances are you're going to meet mostly men that commonly approach a lot of women. And so what kind of men commonly approach a lot of women? These are men who either are very friendly, which is fine, that's great, but they're also men that might be, you know, pickup artists, guys that might just be looking to score another notch on the bedpost or something like that. And if that's not something that you're interested in, then you might need to reconsider your strategy. And that is that femininity is not the same as being passive. Femininity can be actually very active. You can actually go out of your way to approach a guy. You can go out of your way to talk to him. Now, I'm not saying you go up there and say, hey, I thought you were cute from across the room and I wanted to come up and ask you out on a date. Here's my phone number. Like, you don't have to do that. That's maybe a bit much, but you can at least make yourself known in his world by going up and talking to him, by maybe making a comment about something that he's wearing, by maybe asking him about something that is going on either in the immediate environment or maybe in current events or something like that. And you can just kind of get him to notice you. If he's really into you, he'll probably keep the conversation going. He'll probably take things towards, you know, hey, can I get your number? Or, hey, are you free on this date? Let's go out and do something. He'll probably take it that way. So again, it's totally fine to initiate things if the guy that you're seeing is not noticing you, is not coming up to you, is not approaching you. It's totally fine to do that. Trust me, as a guy, we don't get approached very often, and you actually will stand out a lot if you do approach us in a really casual and calm way, not in a way that, you know, looks desperate or needy or anything like that, but in maybe one of the ways that I just mentioned. And it can also let us know that, hey, you're giving us the green light to go ahead, to talk to you, to flirt with you, to ask you out, to possibly even be your boyfriend down the road if things work out, okay? So anyway, I hope this helps you out. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up or subscribe. Please take care.